Cheer dancing rooted from cheerleading performance of our team, usually dominated by gymnastic skills such as jump, trembling skills, lift and toes combined, with shouting of cheers and yells to lead the crowd to cheer for a certain team during a game or sports. So cheer dancing uses gymnastic skills such as jump, trembling skills, and lift and toes combined. So in cheer dancing, it's have a cheer or shouting or yells because through this, it will emphasize the words and the cheer of a one team.
Cheer dance is coined from the words cheer and dance. To cheer is to shout out words or phrases that may help motivate and boost the morale of a playing team and perform better during a game.
Dance, on the other hand, is a physical activity where the one expresses emotions or gestures while performing bodily movements, usually in time with rhythm. So basically, you're expressing your feels through your gestures. It's like add-on sa dishes sa cheer dance. That's why tinatawag siya na cheer dance.
Today, cheer dancing is identified as one of the most spectacular events in one of the biggest collegiate sports events in the country, the UAAP, or the University Athletic Association of the Philippines.
So, arm and hands movements in chair dance are the strong and sharp positions made with the arms and hands to show energy, rhythm, and coordination. They help make the routine looks organized, powerful, and exciting. And these are the some examples of common arm and hands movements. First is high V. Arm form of big V shape above your head, fist tight, arm straight. Next is low V. Arm forms a V shape pointing down, same as high V but lower. Next we have the T motion. Arms stretch straight out of the side forming a T. Next is half T, which are arms bent at the elbow to make an L shape on both sides. Next is daggers, elbow close to the side, fists pointed straight forward. Next we also have touchdown. Arms straight up beside your ears like a referee touchdown signals. Then low touchdown. Same as touchdown, but arms are straight down beside your legs. Next is broken T. Arms out to the side with elbow bent so fists face in toward shoulder. Next, punch. One arm straight, the other on your hip or down by your side. And lastly, clap and blade hands. Hands together for clapping or flat for sharp motion in routines. And those are the common arm and hand movements in cheer dance.
So now let's move on to leg and feet positions. So first position is feet together. So this is a standing position where both feet are placed side by side touching or very close with legs straight and posture upright. Often used in ready positions, clean finishes, or transitions between moves. Next is feet apart. A stance where the feet are spaced apart, typically shoulder width or slightly wider, with toes pointing forward. This is used for balance, power stances, and preparation for jumps, motions, or transitions. Next is dig. A sharp downward arm motion, usually part of a cheer dance or a routine. The term can vary by a theme or choreography but often involves punching or pushing downward with force. Not to be confused with the volleyball term, in cheer dance it's more about strong, stylish movement. Next is hitch. A body position where one leg is lifted and bent at the knee, often used in jumps, stunts, or poses. Next is lunge. A position where one leg is bent forward and at the knee, while the other leg is extended straight back, often used in transitions, dance movement, or stance. And the last one is knees and hip position, refers to proper alignment during motions, jump, or stance. So in the knees, should be slightly bent in ready positions and aligned with the toes, jumps, or landings to avoid injury. In the hips, stay square and controlled, often tuck order under slightly to support core stability and posture.
So good day. So today ako ang i-discuss kay ang elements of cheers. Ang elements of cheers kay nagakonsist siya og hand, arm, and body positions. And ang first one is ang bucket. Ang bucket kay extend need mo extend imong arms such as ngani, and ang kamot nimo kay such as like this nga mura kang nagagunit og bucket, mura na kay ginagunitan. And ang candlestick is the same lang, but ang position sa imong kamot is nakaing-ani, na mura jud kang nagagunit og candle. And ang clasp kay nakaing-ani imong kamot. Inani siya, while ang clap kay nakaing-ani. So, ang isa na sad kay ang blade. Ang blade kay extend mo imong arm, but imong kamot nakaing-ani. Ganito siya. While ang jazz hands kay maka-spread. So, ganito siya. But at the same time, naka-extend gihapon. So, ngani siya. Sunod naman kay ang flying V. Ang flying V kay mo siya, yung extend mo kamot pataas. Just like this. While ang low V kay ang pababa na sad niya. Same arm position pero sa baba. While ang T motion is nakaingani ka. Both hands nimo. While ang half T kay ganito. Kaingani lang siya. Ang touchdown kay mao lang siya sa flying V. However, straight imong kamot. Ngani siya. Ang flying V kay paingani. Ang next one is ang low touchdown. Same gihapon pero pababa. Straight ang position sa imong kamot na pababa. While ang bow and arrow is naka-extend imuhang other hand, while ang isa kay nakainganin, naka sa imong chest ang imuhang kinumo. Ingani. Tapos, ang muscle man, kay, of course, ingani siya. Ingani ang position nimo. Next one is ang dagger. Ang dagger kay ingani. Low lang siya. Low sa imuhang shoulder. Tapos, ang box kay nakaing-ani. Boxing position, ngani siya. Taas naman, kung sa head, above the head, or low sa ulo. While ang overhead clasp kay same siya sa ingani, pero taas. Taas imong kamot. Then, ang punch na sad kay imong other arm kay nasa imong waist. Tapos, ang isa na sad kay naka-taas. Ngani siya, tapos nakagani. Yung kanini mo siya kay naasa mo ang waist, dapit. Then, ang L motion, kay mo ni siya, very basic. Extend mong kamot, tapos ang isa kay nakaing ana. Ana na siya. Then, ang next one is ang diagonal. Pagingani lang siya. Ana. Ang next naman, ang K-motion. So, himunin mo siya nga, other hand mo kay pababa, walang isa kay pataas, pero, medyo, paslant. Paslant siya. Tapos, ang check mark kay, naghimo kag, check, pero gamit yung kamot. So, ngani, extend yung kamot, then other one is ngani. Siya. Ang next kay, ang cheer stance kay, siya, magtindog ka, pero imong, both legs nimo, doon mo katiil kay, medyo separate, so magtindog ka, dili siyang ani, bating ana. Straight position, tapos nakaing ani mo ang tiil. Tapos, ang side lunge, kay mo siya kay, i-bend nimo yung isa kanis. Hindi mo i-bend. Tapos, ang isa kay, naka-bend yapon, pero murag pa straight, murag pa diagonal. Bend nimo siya. Tapos, ang squat kay, ni siya nga squat? I-extend nimo yung legs, tapos
then mag-squat na ka. Tapos imong kamot kay nasa likod. Same sa side lunge. Tapos ang kneel kay mo ni siya kanang ang isa nimo katiil kay nasa salog nagluhod ka per isa lang katiil. So mura na ang pipila ka elements of cheers sa cheer dance. So
my report is all about steps in executing a pyramid. So first is setting up or preparing to leave. So aning a step is need niyo mag-prepare sa inyong strength and dapat make sure ninyo nga kanang makayo jud ninyo ang flyer. So need ani nga murag kunaw jud ninyo if kanang kayo ninyo sila para dili mag-splash. So ang second step is load or actual lift. So ani nga step is hinahinay na ninyo na itaas ang flyer and then dala na ninyo need of teamwork para tarong ninyo og execute ang pyramid. Ang maayo pod ani nga buhaton is kailangan ninyo magsinabangay para dili matagak or ma-disgrasya ang flyer. So mo na to ang ako ang karon.
Keep striking final pose. After the flyer is lifted, they hold the final pose position to show a complete pyramid. Kanang pyramid good guys if ever na kanang mag-perform sila silang cheer dance. And this is where stand is look it the best. So para nice ang ilang stand kay nagaano silang form na pyramid. And dismount to move down by the flyer. So this is when the flyer safely comes down the pyramid with the help of bases and supporter and safety and cooperation and important here. So kanang balance ninyo kung for example gilift ninyo ang isa ninyo ka cheer dancer kay kanang importante ang kanang nice spotters dra ang para safe ang baba sa inyong cheerleader na nagasaya sa inyong cheer dance. So mao ra to siya.
Cheer dance basics. Cheering is the very essence of cheer dance performances. To cheer is to make someone or a team motivated and encouraged. It boosts, salutes, or acclaims the moral of individuals and teams. In cheer dance, cheering needs to be strong, loud, and metered so that it will be delivered in time with the rhythm or the music played.
That's all. Thank you.